Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Andrew May here, investment advisor and certified financial planner professional. Today's video is going to be unique and something special because I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my firm, Register Financial. I've been an employee of Register Financial since 2008, and the firm is located in the Buckhead area of Atlanta, Georgia. While many of my clients live in the greater Atlanta area, I also have clients in other states who unfortunately may not have an opportunity to come and visit my office. So in today's video, I'm going to bring my office to you so that you get to see where I work, where we conduct our business, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of my YouTube studio. So without further ado, let's get going on today's tour. When you exit the elevators on the 17th floor, you will see the entrance to Register Financial. The name of our firm is prominently displayed across the doors, and our suite number is shown on the sign just to the right. When you enter the office, you will be in our firm's lobby. You might take notice of the digital artwork that we have on our wall, as well as this office occupied by the firm's founder, George Register. Here we have an administrative assistant's desk, and our small conference room is where I conduct client meetings. Advisors occupy the offices on the right and enjoy a beautiful view of North Buckhead. Let's continue the tour and head down the hall. This is our large conference room and where firm meetings are conducted. And at the very end of the hall is my office. This is where I spend my time when I'm working hard for you. Now let's make our way to the opposite side of the firm. We'll travel back through our firm's lobby and head into the last office on the right, where you will get a behind-the-scenes look at my YouTube studio. Now it's once again time for lights, camera, and action. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video and for joining me on today's tour. To learn more about my services or to communicate with me directly, please visit my website, maywealthstrategies.com. Until next time, I'm Andrew May, investment advisor and certified financial planner professional, and I look forward to sharing more real-world financial strategies with you in the next video.